As you can see, I'm living on borrowed time. Your Excellency, I want to assure you that Francis and I have different parents, although we work in the same sector, but he loves calling me his twin sister. And I appreciate the partnership we've had with the workers over the years. It is a great pleasure and honor for me, on behalf of employers, to be part of this distinguished conference as a strategic partner on social protection matters. Since I'm living on shared time, I will indeed be very brief. I believe the outcomes of this conference will directly impact the lives of many Kenyans. So we want to thank you, Your Excellency, for taking time to be here physically with us, because I believe that comprehensive social protection will make a big difference in the lives of many Kenyans. We know that a well-functioning, robust, and sustainable social protection system is the dream of all Kenyans in this country, young or old. And employers have keenly examined the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto and agree with the vision and aspirations contained therein. The challenge and the elephant in the room, Your Excellency, is financing. Just as the government is struggling with the fiscal space to finance its development, so are businesses. So we look forward to having social dialogue to find win-win solutions to address the challenges that face our economy. Employers have been part and parcel of the International Labour Conference that developed the many ILO conventions that deal with social protection, and we are committed to working with your government to fulfill the aspirations of those international instruments that we pass in Geneva, where we believe our CS will be leading us in June. We know that social protection is robust. A lot of work has been done in the area of social assistance. We are discussing pensions, but there are other 7 components of it that this country still has to grapple with. And we just want to say, Your Excellency, that we wish your government well, and we wish to work with your government closely to be able to find solutions that are sustainable towards these challenges that face our country. We believe that we must all rise to the occasion and do our part so that every Kenyan has access not just to social protection, but to affordable health care and indeed comprehensive social protection in this country. So with those few remarks, I want to thank you very much for listening to me, and I pray that the Lord would bless our government under your leadership, that he would bless our nation and indeed make it rise to the high level that we all pray for. Thank you very much.